Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma laid the foundation stone for the new building of the PASF Abong Noga College and inaugurated the newly constructed conference hall at the college premises in New Tura. The new college building is being funded by Dorf Kettle Chemicals India Private Limited under its CSR initiative, with the first installment of Rs 5 crore already released. The project is being implemented following an MOU signed between the PA Sangma Foundation, Dorf Kettle Chemicals India Limited and Ira Gurukul in November 2025. Addressing the gathering, the Chief Minister said the institution was a fulfillment of the vision of late Purno Ajitok Sangma, who always prioritized education and youth development. He stated that the college should emerge as one of the premier educational institutions in the Northeast. Highlighting Meghalaya's progress, Conrad Sangma said the state is currently among the fastest growing economies in the country, while stressing that development must remain inclusive and focused on education and youth empowerment. The program was attended by Soredin K. Sangma, Agatha K. Sangma, Dr. Nagesh Tekale, Santosh Dagdane, Vijay Nair, members of the college management, faculty, students and community leaders. PASF Abong Noga College began its academic session in 2022 under the aegis of the PA Sangma Foundation and received affiliation from the Northeastern Hill University from the 2023 academic session.
Sir.
The dream of having a higher secondary school and a college was initially thought and conceptualized by our leader, late P.A. Sangma. For him, education had always been the top priority. He started his career as a teacher, and throughout his life, the aspect of teaching and being a teacher could be seen in the way he conducted himself in any position that he had. Whether he was a journalist, whether during his time as a lawyer, whether during his time as a member of parliament, as a chief minister, as a speaker of the Lok Sabha, or the president of the National People's Party. He always believed in teaching the young generation, teaching values, teaching principles, teaching basic aspects of what it means to be a good human being. And that is why education and teaching have been a part of his DNA from the moment he started his career and throughout his life. So starting his higher secondary school and the college was always a very, very top and important priority for him. And in spite of the challenges that he faced during the initial phases, without any resources, without any support, he continued to ensure that this institute did not disappear, but grew through the years from strength to strength. So on this very, very important and momentous day, we all dedicate this moment, this college and the new building to our leader, late Sangma. At this point in time, I also would like to thank my dear friend, Mr. Subodh Menon, and the chairman of the company, Mr. Sudhir Menon, and the entire family of Dorf Kettle. Dorf Kettle has been a company that has been growing from strength to strength through the years and through the decades. Mr. Subodh Menon was the founder of this company, and today he is the vice chairman. And Mr. Subodh has always believed in giving back to society. He has always believed that God always gives us opportunities, but these opportunities must be given back to the people, and we must serve every section of society. It is this belief that Mr. Subodh has which has led to this generous contribution. Mr. Subodh could have selected any other institute or any other state to contribute the hard earnings of his company, and this corporate social responsibility could have been invested anywhere in the country. But he has chosen the BASF Abong College to contribute not just a sum of few lakhs, as you have all seen and heard, that they are contributing a total of 8 crores towards the construction of the new building through their CSR fund. Let us all give them and give Mrs. Subodh Menon a huge round of applause. And through you, Santosh, I would like to convey our deepest sense of gratitude to the entire family of Dorf Kettle, and more importantly to Mr. Subodh and to Mr. Sudhir for their generous contribution.